Let's talk about the simple power formula for integration. The formula for this will be x raised to the power of n of dx will be x raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. The integration of x squared will be x cubed over 3 plus c according to the formula. Now, the integration of x cubed will be x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus c. And the integration of 2x squared, actually you can put the 2 on the outside. So it will be 2 integration of x squared dx. So the integration of x squared will be x cubed over 3 plus c. 2 multiplied by x cubed will be 2x cubed over 3 plus c. Let's try this example. The integration of 5x raised to the power 4 plus 3x squared multiplied by the quantity of dx. First, you can split this apart, so you will get the integration of 5x raised to the power 4 multiplied by dx plus the integration of 3x squared multiplied by dx. Bring down 5 and take the integration of x raised to the power 4, which will be x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 3 multiplied by the integration of x squared, which will be x cubed over 3 plus c. 5 divided by 5 will be cancel each other out, so you will get x raised to the power 5th plus 3 divided by 3 will be 1, so we're left with x cubed plus c. Let's try this. The quantity of integration of 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by dx. First, expand this, so we'll get 9x squared plus 24x plus 16 multiplied by dx. As usual, split them apart, so we'll get 9 multiplied by the integration of x squared dx plus 24 integration of x dx plus the integration of dx. So, the integration of x squared will be x cubed over 3. The integration of x will be x squared over 2. And the integration of dx will simply be x. So, 9 divided by 3 will be x cubed plus 24 divided by 2 will be 12 x squared plus 16x, and don't forget the plus c. Now, just a quick note, the reason why we are putting the number outside the integration will be to simplify. Take it like this, 9 multiplied by the integration of x squared of dx. As you can see, this x squared corresponds to this formula. So it will be like simpler. And as usual, just multiply 9 by it. So 9 multiplied by the integration of x squared, which will be x cubed over 3 plus c. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3x cubed. But you can also, if you want to save time, like example, you have 5x squared dx here. You can just wholly solve this, so you will get the integration of 5x squared will be 5 multiplied by, take the derivative of x squared, which will be x cubed over 3 plus c. Final answer here will be 5x cubed over 3 plus c. So in any case, just ignore like the coefficient first and focus on the x value. Let's try this example. The integration of 4 over x cubed plus 2 over x squared multiplied by dx. First, know that like 1 over x squared is also equal to x raised to the power of negative 2. If you want to bring this up to the numerator, make sure your exponent will also change. Just like this, in here it is positive x2, but if you put it on the numerator, it will be x raised to the power of negative 2. So keep that in mind. So by simplifying this, you will get the integration of 4x raised to the power of negative 3, because 3 here is the exponent of dx, plus the integration of 2x raised to the power of 2. You will just put this on the numerator for simplification purposes, but make sure the exponent here will also reverse. So it will be raised to the power of negative 2. So in any case, 4 multiplied by the integration of x raised to the power of negative 3. So x raised to the power of negative 2, because negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2, and over negative 2, plus 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. So you will get 4 divided by negative 2 will be negative 2x raised to the power of negative 2. 2 divided by negative 1 will be negative 2x raised to the power of negative 1. So if you want to simplify this further, you can put the x raised to the power of negative 2 down below the fraction again. So the answer will be negative 2 over x squared plus, minus minus 2 over x plus c. Let me simplify that. Negative 2 over x squared minus 2 over x plus the integration constant c.